Expressing your opinion in English can be a powerful tool for communication. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Start by using phrases like, in my opinion, or I believe that, to clearly present your thoughts. This sets a confident tone. Remember to support your opinion with reasons. For example, I think public transport should be free because it encourages more people to use it, reducing traffic and pollution. Practice using adjectives to make your point more vivid. Instead of saying so I say, I like this movie. Try, I absolutely loved this movie because it was thrilling and thought-provoking. Engaging in discussions is also key. Ask others for their views and respond thoughtfully. This not only shows confidence, but also helps you learn and grow. So, speak up, share your thoughts, and watch your confidence soar.